This week we will be reading another realistic fiction story that's made up but could happen in real life. We're going to look for characters who have problems that real people might have and places that seem real in the story. We are going to read to understand events in the beginning, middle, and end. We're going to look for details in the words and pictures to help us. And then we'll be able to retell the events in our own words. Remember our vocabulary words: mess, market, sell, help, neighbors, and set. This is Wong Herbert Yi. He's the author that you can go back and read more about later. Dan Had a Plan by Wong Herbert Yi. "Hi, Dan," said Kim. "Can you see my bugs and bats?" "I see a big mess," said Dan. "We will go to the farmer's market. We will sell the bugs and bats. The money is for new library books." So think about the setting of the story right now. Where are Dan and Kim? "I like bugs and bats," said Dan. "I like books. Can I help?" "You are too little," said Kim. Dad and the neighbors set up. "Hi, kids," said Dad. Now think about where the setting of the story is. "Hi, Sam," said Dan. "Hi," said Sam. "Can I buy a bat?" "Did you see the big sign?" asked Dan. "Help the library." Dan had a plan. "We can help," said Dan. Help the library. "Buy a bug," said Dan. "Buy a bat," said Sam. "Is it good?" asked Tim. "It is great," said Sam. Tim ran to buy a bat. Help the library. "Can I buy a bug?" asked Pam. "You can," said Dan. Many neighbors had bugs and bats. Kim had the last one. Dan was sad. "You are little," said Kim. "You are a big help, too." New books. "The new books are at the library." "We did it," said Dan and Sam.